PrimeHost Bundle Review. Get lifetime hosting and more. In the last 2 years, due to COVID-19, most businesses have changed their working environment to digital platforms. Americans are struggling to make every single penny to pay for their daily expenses. In order to make a living, making money online through retailing or affiliate marketing is the new trend. However, new entrepreneurs and online marketers have had a lot of problems standing out from the crowd. To promote their products, the best option is to post them regularly on many platforms such as Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. What is more, paying annual fees to maintain your servers, your site's running can cost you thousands of dollars per year. Therefore, I want to introduce you the brand new technology-based hosting platform that hosts unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast, secure servers. Introducing PrimeHost. Keeping in mind that hosting is something that we all need and are already paying hundreds of dollars every month for, this is the perfect solution for small businesses and large websites. You can get PrimeHost now for only $47. To make this deal even better, let me tell you about their bundle offer. Here is what's included. PrimeHost Front End valued at $97. PrimeHost Premium valued at $67. It includes inbuilt malware protection, automatic backup of all your website's data including files, images, videos, and graphics, unlimited everything for pro marketers and a commercial license. PrimeHost Website Builder values at $47. It includes 2,000 website templates, user-friendly live editor, advanced drag and drop feature and you can download the entire project in just a click. PrimeHost CloudDrive valued at $67. You can store unlimited files, documents, audio, videos, images and graphics, automated backup of all your files, access data from anywhere in the world and unlimited bandwidth. PrimeHost SEO Unlimited valued at $47. It includes unlimited link analyzer, malware scan, bulk URL shortener, keyword analyzer and more. PrimeHost Web Conversion valued at $47. You get easy setup and integration on any website, push impossible to ignore social proofs in one click, unlimited campaigns for your websites and unlimited notifications and impressions per month. PrimeHost Agency License valued at $197. Sell high-in-demand hosting services to your clients, create your own hosting plan and charge any amount you want and keep 100% of the profits to yourself only. PrimeHost SEO Unlimited valued at $47. It includes unlimited link analyzer, malware scan, bulk URL shortener, keyword analyzer and more. PrimeHost Reseller valued at $97. They host everything for you, nothing to configure or upload and use their killer, proven to convert sales pages, design, and videos. The moment this launch closes, the bundle deal will be gone. Don't let this opportunity slip by your way. This awesome PrimeHost bundle comes with a special 30-day money-back guarantee. Get PrimeHost Bundle now. All ytours for only $297. Click the link in the description below.